Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Nirajana from Leo Tales, and what we have here is a newly launched subscription service actually. The name of the box is B-Man, but this is not a subscription box for men. It is a men's subscription box as well as a unisex box. So there are many good things about this box to begin with. One, you have two options. You can either go for the men's box or you can choose the unisex box. Two, you get to curate your box. Somehow you get to choose what kind of products you want. Not exactly the brands, but the kind of products that you want, because you will be getting a form where you can fill up the details. And three, in each category, whether it's a man's box or it's a unisex box, you have three subcategories: the beginner, the amateur and the elite. What we have here today is the amateur box. You can see all the details and all on the screen right now. So the pricing and all is pretty impressive, and what we have here is the amateur subscription, which is for 849 rupees. So I have selected some products and I got one product as a gift, as they have mentioned here. So this is how the package reached me. It is a cardboard box packaging, that's okay. And inside that it says, get the stuff that suits you the best by B-Man. Okay, so it's a very good attempt, I must agree. And inside that you have all the products. Thank you, hey Niranjana, thank you for subscribing to the box. So they have Facebook, Instagram, email and all. Now let's get started and see the products. They have also added a user guide for each product, so that is also good, a printed one. I appreciate that. So we have something complimentary, which is the Be Groomed Everyday B-Man pouch. So this can easily be used as a toiletries pouch or a shaving kit kind of, and you have a sticker also. So these are all extra freebies, but I have to tell you that for a beginner box, these show professionalism and I definitely appreciate it. So the first product that I have here is by the brand Aspiro Natural Premium 100% safe and organic tea tree shampoo. It has no chemicals and no alcohol. That's what they say. It contains caffeine, curry leaves, Indian alkanet root. Okay, so let's see if we have the ingredient list. The key ingredients are mentioned here at the back side. I can see some good ingredients definitely. It's good for dry and itchy scalp, hair thickening, scalp protection, healthy hair, against lice. Okay, that's good. This is a new brand for me. I have not heard of this before. It's 200 ml product. It's cruelty free, vegan, made in India, and they say it's procured from the Himalayas. The ingredients maybe. So this is the first product. What I like is this is a new brand for me, and so far I think paraben free, sulfate free sounds good, and it is a full size product also. So this is the first product in the unisex box. The second product in the unisex box is by the brand Sebon Care. It is a green tea gel scrub enriched with Dead Sea salt, aloe vera, and it is for anti-pigmentation. It is a 50 gram and the price is 450 rupees. So the ingredient is mentioned here. Walnut shell powder is the scrubbing agent. So it comes with a spill proofing, and this is the texture of the scrub. It has a nice olive green color. The fragrance is like lemongrass. Nice fragrance. I can definitely see myself using this on my body. I actually like the color and texture of this one. Third one we have here is by the brand Physico Joy of Ayurveda Natural Peppermint and Calendula Face Wash, 50 gram. I actually like the packaging. Nice color combination. This is from Telangana. This brand is from Telangana, and it is suitable for all skin types. No harmful chemicals. Okay. And it is free of SLS, not tested on animals, paraben free, AIR certified and GMP certified as well. The outer packaging, I like the cardboard kind of packaging, and this is how the face wash looks like. So it is 50 ml, so kind of, you know, something that you can carry when you're traveling or something. Whatever details I read out from the package, it's here. It's a transparent package. Let's see the fragrance of this one. It doesn't really have any strong fragrance. I wouldn't say it's a chemical fragrance either. I can't decipher what it is, but very much like, you know, manageable kind of fragrance. Next product that I have here is by the brand One Way Happiness. It is a coconut conditioner. So this brand is from Madhya Pradesh and marketed in Uttar Pradesh. Alright. So it's a 100 ml product, newly manufactured, and the price is just 199 rupees. So this one contains cetyl alcohol, which is good. It also contains provitamin B5, hydrolyzed wheat protein. I think they have mentioned the entire ingredient list here. It does contain disodium EDTA, but that's okay. Okay, so the ingredient list looks good. It is GMP certified and 100% natural. For the first time using something by this brand called One Way, I do like the ingredient list for now. Then the next product that you have here is again from Physico. Okay, it is the Natural Argan Tree Moisturizer, 249 rupees. It has an expiry of 2 years, and argan, aqua, shea butter, olive, Okay, nice ingredients. Let's open this. Okay, again, Fiseco, very nice packaging, and this is the moisturizer. It will proofing, and oh, nice texture. Okay, it's not very oily. The fragrance is of tea tree essential oils, exact tea tree fragrance, and the key ingredient is also argan and tea tree, so the fragrance definitely does justice. The texture is really nice. It feels like a lotion. It's not very oily and doesn't feel very heavy on skin. I have oily face, so I think I can maybe use it on my face also. So that is the next product. So these are the basic 5 products that we receive in the box. Now there is one which is an extra, like a gift, and that I have here is it's a soap from Seboncare again. It is the Dead Sea Salt and Multani Mitti soap 100 gram product, and the price of this one is 108 rupees. And key ingredients are mentioned here. Okay, it contains Dead Sea mud, Multani Mitti, aloe vera, rose water, glycerin. I wish they kind of, showed the full ingredient list, but anyway, so this is the soap. It reminds me of Pierce very much. I can't get any fragrance through the card, but I'm not going to open it because I have 2 soaps in my bathroom already, so I'm not going to just open and waste it. But Seboncare is again a new brand for me. I have not heard of this brand before, so this box in a way helped me identify a lot of brands as well. So yeah, these are all the products that we received in B-Man subscription for the price of $8.49 in my amateur unisex box. The good thing is that I could pick the products. Like I could kind of say, okay, I want a shampoo, I want a conditioner. So in that way, I like the fact that I get some personalization. And total, I received 6 products and a pouch and $8.49. And considering it is a first timer brand, a first timer box, I think they've done a good job. The brands, especially Fiseco, already has my heart. I really like those 2 products. Even the Aspiro Tea Tree shampoo from the Himalayas. I am very excited to try these products. I'm glad that these brands have not been featured in other boxes, so it's like a completely fresh experience. And B-Man gets a thumbs up from my end for this duration. You can do better, but whatever you have done right now is amazing. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know your thoughts on B-Man box. I would like to know that. So we will meet again with another video. Until then, take care.